All right, in 2 minutes or less, I'm going to show you exactly how to enter a trade using limit orders and market execution on Tradelocker. Let's just get into it. All right, so I'm currently in a position, but I kind of want to get into another one because we had a rejection of a trend line, which you can see. You see that? It kind of like wicked above. So I'm going to set a market order right now. You have this little panel right here. If you click this icon right here, it will hide and show the order panel. So you can just click sell and it will sell point whatever lots that you have or one lot. But the best thing to do is set a stop loss and then you can click and drag it to wherever you want and it'll show you the dollar amount that you would lose if your stop loss gets hit. So like right here, it's set at 74 and then you take your take profit and you click and drag it. And let's say you want a 1 to 2. So you're looking for $150, right? And then you just click sell and then click confirm. You can toggle this on and off so that it's like one click trading. So you don't have to click this icon that pops up. But like now I'm in a short position, right? We had a rejection off the trend line and essentially on the 1 minute time frame, a Fibonacci retracement to the 618. But the cool thing is you can also set limit orders the same way. So let's get onto a different chart so that it's not so noisy. So on the left-hand side right here, you have markets panel and it will show you all of your favorite assets if you have them favorited. Let's just hop on Australian dollar, US dollar. And let's say you're on the 1 minute chart and you're looking for a breakout of a specific range. You just draw a box around that range so you have a visual representation of it. And then all you got to do is use your crosshairs and hover over where you want your limit order to be set. And if you go all the way to the right-hand side, you can see a little plus icon right here. Just click plus, click pending, and your order panel is going to be on the right, but I don't like it there. I like the little pop-up floating one. So I just close the markets panel and then I click the stop loss button. And let's say you want your stop loss halfway between the range or at the bottom of this wick. It'll show you for 0.01 lots what your stop loss would be. And then click and drag your take profit. And then once your stop loss and take profit is in place, then just click buy stop, click confirm, and your pending order is ready to go. And that's your analysis done. You can walk away from the charts and hope that that trade plays out the way that you wanted it to. The reason why I like doing it this way, where I can set my take profit, set my stop loss, or set my limit orders or buy stops, is that you can do your analysis quickly once a day, set up your trades, and then go off and do other things, whether it's learning more about day trading, doing some lawn maintenance, taking care of your family, or going to your full-time job. Or if you guys just enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like on your way out, and we will see you in the next one.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit
long trade, but they hit take profit. So, yay. So if you guys were ever wondering what trading's like, it's super boring. You sit and you watch, or you can spend that time doing something else.